Oh my, what an amazing stay I had. God had already arranged this before I even went there on, and I looked for a place in the UK that would be a health retreat for me. The days that I had were amazing. The team there that worked there, so dedicated, and truly I found love, joy, and hope, particularly through the spiritual support which I found at Manna House. I arrived a bit burdened, and I left very much lightened. And I recommend Manna House for anyone that is looking for rest, a retreat, respite, renewal, not just of body, but of mind and of spirit. The therapeutic treatments which I experienced were first rate, best that I've ever had. Best therapeutic massage. And it wasn't just the massage, it was a real treatment. It was therapeutic in that it addressed trouble spots, knots, inflammation, but also alignment and rejuvenation. I also experienced a beautiful, beautiful, very hot, I love hot, so a very hot steam sauna finished by an extremely icy cold dunk. So thank you, and I hope that this message is an encouragement to anyone that is contemplating a health retreat. I would highly recommend Manna House, the team, and truly they call us guests there, and I felt as if I was truly a guest in their home, and they spared nothing. They were able to support me in so many ways, and again, I highly recommend Manna House to anyone. There's a variety of persons that were there during the stay, across different ages and backgrounds, but it was such a loving environment, and we all were able to benefit from each other. So thank you once again. God bless you all. I truly have been blessed by my stay.